Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if square root of 3 times x whole to the power x is equal to 6, then find the value of x. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of x from this equation. Our given equation is square root of 3 times x whole to the power x is equal to 6. So student, we know that x to the power half is equal to square root of x. Similarly, in the place of square root of 3 times x, we can write in here 3 times x whole to the power 1 over 2. And after that, again you have to take the same power x is equal to, on the right hand side, again you have to write 6. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side 3 times x whole to the power 1 over 2 times x is equal to, on the right hand side, again we have to write 6. After that, we can write from the left hand side of this equation 3 times x whole to the power x over 2 is equal to, again we have to write 6 on the right hand side of this equation. So student, now we have to take power 2 on both sides of this equation. So we can write on the left hand side 3 times x whole to the power x over 2, and again we have to take power 2 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write 6 to the power 2. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side 3 times x whole to the power x over 2 times 2 is equal to, on the right hand side, again we have to write 6 to the power 2. So student, in the place of power, we can cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. So on the left hand side, we can write 3 times x whole to the power x is equal to 6 to the power 2. So now again we have to take power 3 on both sides of this equation. So on the left hand side we can write in here 3 times x whole to the power x. After that, again we have to take power 3 is equal to, on the right hand side we get 6 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. According to this formula, again we can write from this equation 3 times x whole to the power 3 times x is equal to 6 to the power 3 times 2, that is 6. So student, now we have to compare on both sides of this equation. So after comparing on both sides of this equation, we can write in here 3 times x is equal to 6. After that, we have to transpose 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So we can write from this equation x is equal to 6 over 3, that is 2. So student, the value of x will be 2. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.